Fuel tank lightning protection systems mitigate rim seal fires. Fuel tank fire statistics shows that 35% of all fuel tank fires are caused by lightning-related issues. It is presently estimated that 95% of rim seal fires in a fuel tank are as a result of lightning strikes. If 95% of all rim seal fires are as a result of lightning, then this raises the question: what is peculiar about the rim seal region of a fuel tank that makes it susceptible to lightning? By design to ensure ease of movement of the floating roof within the tank shell, there exists a gap between the tank shell and the edge of the floating roof. This eliminates friction, guarantees ease of movement, but creates issues in the following areas when lightning strikes: sparking, roof surface charging, heating due to lightning strike. Floating roof tank shunts were used for many years as the default method to earth out, ground, the roof to the tank wall. Studies by the API, American Petroleum Institute, have shown these shunts often fail to provide the required contact between the roof and wall. They are prone to wear issues as well as being sensitive to tank deformation. Without a properly earthed roof, the risk of fire is very high. So, knowing shunts are not the complete answer for fuel tank lightning protection, especially for the larger tanks, facility owners install secondary bypass conductors to close out the risk of the shunts not performing and to prevent arcing at the roof-shell interface. To reduce the risk of sustained arcs requires a reliable, full-time, low-impedance and low-resistance connection between the tank shell and roof. Additionally, the connection must operate regardless of the tank shell connection. LEC has developed the roof-shell retractable grounding assembly (RGA) mechanism, which is better than the conventional type of bypass conductor. Based upon our present understanding of the phenomenon, the combination of shunts and bypass conductors offer the optimum application of known technology to control the ignition phenomena as we presently understand it by accommodating all components of current flow from a lightning strike. Protection from natural disaster can be highly mitigated or 99.7% eliminated by the proper implementation of a fuel tank lightning protection system along with grounding and surge suppression products by LEC. If you are at the point of reconsidering your existing shunt system, why not email us so we can discuss the next steps? Contact details. Address: 6687 Arapahoe Road, Boulder, Colorado 80303, USA. Email: info@lecglobal.com. Website: www.lightningprotection.com. Contact number: 303-447-28